Welcome to my channel. Yoga is a great way to find balance and peace in your life. Start with basic poses like downward facing dog and child's pose. A regular yoga practice can help reduce stress and anxiety. There are many different types of yoga, so explore them all. Hatha yoga is great for beginners because it's slower paced. Vinyasa yoga is more fast paced and great for building strength. Yin yoga is very relaxing and focuses on stretching and meditation. Meditation is also an important aspect of yoga. Take 5 to 10 minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath. This can help you find inner peace and clarity. Remember that yoga is not a competition. It's a personal practice that's all about you. Stay consistent and make yoga a part of your daily routine. Yoga is a journey of self-discovery. You'll learn to tune into your body and find inner peace.